Hello everybody, just a quick one this morning. It's only going to be about 5 or 6 minute video I think. Sausage sandwich, fancy a sausage sandwich. Usually got to have that on a Tuesday but I can't because I'm waiting for a parcel to come, so I thought, well, why am I here doing nothing while she's gone out? Let's do an Aldi Essentials. Now, so I've never had Aldi Essentials before, ever. I know a lot of people have done these now, but I haven't. Now, I don't know how much there was, because I bought a few items, but I never got a receipt for them. I've got to look online. £1 something I think there was, or something, I can't remember. Yeah, so just going to do a sausage sandwich, nice and simple. People have left me comments saying try the Aldi sausages, because they're really nice. So let's try them. Right then, you get 20 in a bag. I can't remember, I can't remember how much there was now. About £1.15, £1.20 was it or something. There's all the I'll put my glasses on, hold on a sec. There we go, couldn't see a thing. 194 calories per 2 sausages. That ain't bad, is it? Nutrition, go and have a look at that. Okay, from frozen, there's all the ingredients. That's amazing. So I'm going to do mine in the oven. I've got the oven warming up already. It says, what is it? 200 degrees, 17 to 19 minutes. That's quite simple really, isn't it? Sausages, ain't they? I was going to do them in the air fryer, but I thought no, I'll follow the instructions. Get it open and have a look. I do like quite a nice sausage sandwich. So, I think I'll do, how many should I do? Well, I want to try sausage on its own, and I also want a sausage sandwich, and also I'll do 4. There they are, sausage in it. Well, I'll get a tray out of the oven, so I've got the oven on. 200 degrees, we're warming up now. That'll give me a nice simple one. And we'll get them on my grill tray. I could have cooked them all different ways, couldn't I? But now I'm a bit hungry, so I want a sandwich, so I'm going to get it done. Well, I'm going to put them in the oven then. 17 to 19 minutes. And then we'll have a look. Right, about a minute to go I think. I've done myself a bit of toast. I've just been looking back at the video, the bit I've just done before this. I'm saying Aldi, no it's not Aldi, it's Asda. Aldi on the brain, man. But yeah, they're smelling really nice. They have split though. I suppose that's all the water in a minute. Never mind, let me just check again. Looking nice, but yeah, just needs a bit browner, that's all for my liking. Looking a bit anemic still on the one side. Right, they're done. There they are. They do smell nice, but as I say, they have split. That's them there. Sausage. Let's cut a split one open. Cut it down the middle. Hot, hot, hot. Ow. There you go. You can see it. But as I always say, what do I always say? It's all in the taste, innit? It's all in the taste. I got myself some brown sauce. I love my brown sauce on a sausage sandwich, mate. So, we'll build the sausage up, the sausage sarnie up. We'll use that cut one on there like that. There's another split one somewhere, there we go. But yeah, a bit like mush, ain't they? But never mind, eh? for the price. I will look at the price online in a minute and I'll probably put it up whatever it was. Well, I was having that back then, smoked the sausage. Right then. I think we'll have a bit of a taste test now. Because I am quite hungry. Right, let's just try the normal sausage first. I'll cut it in half so you can see it if you haven't already. I suppose a lot of you already have. It's a bit dark now, hold on. There you go, probably see it a bit better now. They do smell nice, let's have a taste. Mmm. A bit bland, there's a bit of gristle as well. I see some gristle in there, look, I suppose. You probably can't see it on the camera. I don't really like them. I think they're too bland. I don't really like them at all. Let me try the sausage sandwich one with a brown sauce. I'm disappointed now, I don't like them. I'm sorry if you do like them, I don't like them at all. I'm going to eat it anyway. But for budget sausages, yeah, 20 in a pack. Of course, I mean, you could also cut them up, couldn't you? And put them in like, I don't know, homemade curry sauce or something, couldn't you? Anything to get yourself a meal, yeah? Or bangers and mash. But I don't like the taste. Oh well, there you go. I tried. As I say, there will be a main video coming up after this, well, later on. A cooking one, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Got to have a look. As I say, I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, just subscribe. Till the next time, see you later. Bit disappointed with that, bit disappointed. But never mind. Bye.